U.S. National Highway Traffic Safety Administration cited new test data that shows some 2001 to 2003 model Honda and Acura vehicles have as high as a 50% chance of a dangerous airbag inflator rupture in a crash. Takata airbag inflators are linked to as many as 14 deaths worldwide, including 13 in Honda vehicles. Honda said in a statement that it agreed with the analysis of testing, and the 313,000 vehicles should only be driven to a dealership in order to have the Takata airbag inflators replaced as rapidly as possible. Nearly 100 million Takata inflators have been declared unsafe worldwide. In May, automakers agreed to recall another 35 million to 40 million U.S. airbag inflators by 2019. Previously, 14 automakers had recalled some 24 million U.S. vehicles with 28.8 million inflators. For the very latest, stay with BNOnews.com. You can follow us throughout the day over on Twitter at BNO News for breaking news as it happens.